Can I use a custom domain for my Substack publication? The answer is yes. You can absolutely use your own custom domain on Substack, similar to what I did. So I started this with christinagard.substack.com, and now it is called the Online Writing Club. This is my custom domain. So when you first sign up, you get a default Substack domain like I shared with christina.substack.com. But if you already own a domain, you can easily point it to your Substack publication. That way your readers can find you at something like yourname.com instead, which I love. Or here in this case, it would be then the Online Writing Club because, of course, it is a thing. I think it's super sleek. I think it's super professional. And I would go with a custom domain. The only thing that you have to keep in mind with a custom domain is that Substack has a high domain authority of more than 90, which is amazing. It is on the level as super brands like Meta, Facebook, and also Medium. But if you start your own custom domain, you'll start at 0, rock bottom, okay? The same with the Online Writing Club. I think I'm now at 20 or so domain authority. Of course, I would want to push it at some point to 90, but it's not so easy. We all start at 0 and then at 1, only 1. This is very important to keep in mind when you're thinking about custom domains. For more, check out the Online Writing Club with tutorial interviews and all the tips and tricks you need to know to start your online writing business. And of course, at the heart of everything would be then your newsletter, for instance, on Substack. And I'd love to help you with this. I'm Christina Gard from the Online Writing Club, belong to the top 25 newsletters in education on Substack. And I see you then inside the club.